This bunny wreath is so easy to make. It's a perfect project to do with your kids. Hi there, my crafty friends. I'm Donna from Mason Creations ETC, and I'm going to show you how I made this easy Easter bunny wreath. There will be step-by-step, easy-to-follow instructions along the way. So if you're ready, let's make a mess. This 12-inch blank wooden round from Dollar Tree will be the bunny's face, and I'm giving it 2 coats of white paint. Most of the materials I'm using for this project came from Dollar Tree. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from all of you. After the paint dried, I sprayed it with a matte clear sealer and let that dry for about an hour. I made this adorable bunny face with my Cricut machine. Now I realize that not everyone has a Cricut machine, so I have a solution for you. I'm offering this bunny face cut out and on transfer tape, ready for you to add to your project. You'll be able to find it in my Etsy store under tutorial packages. I have a link for you below in my description box. I laid the face on the round and removed the backing half at a time to make sure it didn't move. Then I burnished the vinyl to make sure it's stuck to the round. If you don't have a Cricut tool, you can use a popsicle stick or just about anything that has a hard edge to it. I'm slowly pulling off the transfer tape to make sure everything is stuck properly. After removing the transfer tape, I gave it a quick rub with a squeegee. Now it's time to make the bunny ears. I made a pattern with some paper and I'm tracing it on a piece of cardboard. And of course I'm making 2 of them. I'm going to glue some pink gingham fabric to the cardboard using some Mod Podge. I think this fabric is so cute. I got it at Hobby Lobby. If you love DIY craft video tutorials just like this one, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and leaving me a comment. That lets YouTube know that people are enjoying my content, and then they'll show it to more and more viewers. This helps my channel to grow so I can continue to bring you awesome videos. After that dried, I trimmed the excess fabric off from around the edges, and then I put another coat of Mod Podge over the top of the fabric. These ears need some fur, don't you think? I bought these white pom-poms at, of course, Dollar Tree. I cut them in half and spread out the yarn a little bit. I'm picking up clumps of it a little bit at a time and gluing it to the edges of the ears. I'm only using the larger pieces. I'll use the smaller cut strands to fill in a little bit later. I'm adding a bead of glue on the edge of the ear and laying the fur with the center of it on the bead of glue, and the other half is hanging over the edge of the ear. And I'm just working my way around the whole ear. After the glue dries, you can fluff it up a little, and I think this just looks so cute. I'm putting together a kit for this project. The kits are completely customizable and available for purchase in my Etsy shop. I'll have the basic items included, but you can add additional items if needed or eliminate anything you already have in your craft stash. Send me a message either through YouTube or Etsy. The link to my Etsy shop is below in the description box. Any place that looks a little sparse, I'm just adding some of the shorter pieces. I marked on the back of the wooden round where I wanted to place the ears, and now I'm attaching them with some hot glue. And voila, cute little furry bunny ears. All these gorgeous flowers came from Dollar Tree. They have some beautiful stuff out right now for spring. I put the hanger back on, and now I'll glue all the flowers just below her ears. And then I'll top that off with a beautiful bow. I'm using a Shore Bonder cordless glue gun. I absolutely love this glue gun. It's so nice to work without fighting a cord that's in your way all the time. I have this listed in my favorite tools section in my description box below, in case you want to check it out. I'm working on some great Easter projects. You'll want to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And don't forget to click that bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. I did a simple crossover bow with 2 types of ribbon and then glued them below her left ear. Oh my gosh, I just love the way this turned out. I put together a playlist of some other tutorials you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.